Nice shot, beautiful, beautiful shot. Technically very, very sound. Balance was good. It should just trickle away, and it does. A beautiful square punch.
Absolutely gorgeous shot.
Finds the gap this time. A stroke of real aggression, but the invitation came because of width. Some serious intent in some of these shots from Shea Hooper. Not sure it was an out-and-out half volley. Sterling has reviewed it.
Wait on the ultra edge coming up. Keep rolling. Yeah, can you rock and roll that for me? There's a spike as the ball is next to the bat. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. Can we go back to Leslie on field? Leslie, you would have to change your decision from not out to out.
Brilliant. Absolutely superb from Young.
You never looked fully comfortable, Justin Greaves. Beauty.
Close. Where's it pitched? Has it pitched on? That's a critical factor. Sterling, eyes and Sterling goes for it.
Ball dropping coming up. Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets. Yes, you would have to change your decision. I'll let you know when you're on screen. You're on screen now. Change from not out to out.
Nice shot down the ground. That's going to be a 4. It's a gentle half volley. First ball after drinks. Craig Young just putting it there as opposed to with any venom, and it was put away nicely.
Glorious. Many of the shots that you've seen from Shamar Brooks over his career fill you with a great sense of joy. Not that one. That should be gone. Who wants it? Oh, unbelievable. The bowler was looking at mid-wicket.
He never picked it up. Thought it was going to mid-wicket. Oh, there it is. It's too late. As you can see, elegant shot again by Brooks. He makes it look so easy.
He holds on to that one. No reprieve for Ruston Chase. Absolutely stupendous from Sterling.
We have a saying, room for brilliance. Look at that. That's what he wanted us to see. I think that's his first catch as ODI captain.
A plan has come together. Who says the off spinner can't get the big hitting right-hander out?
Was not to the pitch of the ball. You'd see that ball probably bouncing.
Nick, gone, must be gone. Change of angle works. Thank you very much, Mr. Umpire.
You're forced to change angles. But again, a left-hander is swinging that ball into the right-hander.
That's very sad, yes! I think that's right in front. George Docker's not a huge turner of the ball. Shamar Brooks should send this upstairs. It's West Indies' last chance, really. They got reviews up the sleeve, must use it here. Yeah, he sent it upstairs.
Okay, coming up. It's pitching in line, impact in line, wickets, umpire's call. And we go back to Leslie on field. Leslie would ask you to stay with your decision. You're on screen now, signal.
Romario Shepherd showing some of his batting skill.
Not far there, Paul.
Catch, it's a cry, but no one's catching that within the boundary, down to where the ground staff are. 1-3-3 for 7.
Yes, youngie boy.
That is brilliant as well. To hit that on the up for 4 shows the strength of Romario Shepherd. Safely taken. No sighters required for O'Dean Smith. Second 6 of the innings. Doesn't matter, not long enough down there at the moment. Back-to-back 6s for Smith, 155 for 8.
Well, that's a brilliant shot. That is an absolutely incredible shot. Banged in, he's hardly expected to go over a point, and he's hit it over extra cover for 6. Well, that sounded good. It is good. What a lovely cameo this is from O'Dean Smith, showing us all his brute force, but a wonderful panache. What a star in the making. Sliced away. Sterling himself underneath this should catch it. Oh, he's dropped it. Straight through the hands of the captain at, well, a wide long off. It was in the air for eternity. A fairly routine catch for Paul Sterling. Burst through the fingers. Mark it there, beg your pardon. Well, doesn't matter who's bowling. Clobbered away. Poor bowling. Excellent batting. Another biggie. Up and away. Fielder Curtis Camphor charging in. Pouches it. Excellent catch. It's good bowling.
Could see sticking to the plan. Full and wide. Have Smith reaching for that ball. Had a chance earlier. Not this time.
On the reverse. Oh, what a shot. What a way to bring up your 50. Nobody in this venue thought the reverse sweep was on the way. That's a brilliant knock.
Amazing.
Yes,
Bowled him. Well, a beautiful reverse sweep to bring up your half century, and Andrew McBride gets his man and wraps up this innings. Oh, he gives him width. It's poor bowling, but that's a really good shot. That is bread and butter for Paul Sterling. Pick up pull shot. That's one of Porterfield's favourites. He loves the pick up and pull. Never tries to keep it down. Gets in a good position and just swivels and hits the ball on the up. Clobbered. Absolutely smashed. Uncomplicated, easy. Paul Sterling just lifts it over mid-on for a boundary. Oh, what a shot. Long on, 6. Costly mistake by Akil Hussain. Should not happen. Spin bowlers simply should not bowl no balls, and it's cost him 6. What a ball. What a reply from Akil Hussain. That is an absolute jaffa. Drifted in and just took a little bit of grip on the surface.
Drew him forward, took the outside edge. Simple catch to Jason Holder, and Ireland lose their first wicket.
Lofted. Nice shot. Good commitment to the stroke. Chips it over mid-off, who's 10 or 15 off the inner rings. That's a good shot from Porterfield. Good commitment.
He's got one. Looking to hit it on the bounce, and 2 names Darren Sammy called. Pollard and Chase have worked it out.
He was not to the pitch of that ball. trying to hit it inside out. Couldn't keep it down. Chase gets the breakthrough.
High slug sweep from McBride. Hit that very well.
Well, forget about absorbing pressure. Just clobber him leg side for 4, says Andrew McBride. Down the ground. What a beautiful swing of the bat from the man from Donnamana. Beautiful footwork. Lovely swing of the bat and a great connection for 6. On the charge again. Straight as a die. Just one bounce inside the rope, I think. Umpire's got his hands up, but I think that's a boundary 4. This is brilliant batting from Andrew McBride. Pull shot, top edge. Should be taken, is taken. Very, very simple catch.
Yeah, probably just remembering McBride, what these short balls from Shepard and Odin Smith can do.
Nicely driven, beautifully played. Everything was absolutely spot on there by Harry Tector. The footwork was good, a front high elbow, and just caressed it for 4.
Such a good shot. Just a little bit of width on it. One of the rare bat balls Shepard has bowled today. Very good again from Harry Tector. 1, 2, 4 for 3.
He's still looking good. A beautiful straight drive right down the ground. They don't come any better than that.
Needed runs, not where he intended, but the pace and the carry took it all the way for 6.
Top edge on the pull. Put down! Oh my word. That is an absolute sitter. Yeah, it's a wonderful place to play cricket. That's 50. 50, number 6 for Harry Tector. This young talented man out of YMCA in Sandymount continues to impress. Hold him! What a beautiful bit of bowling.
Tried playing these shots a few times. Don't play that horizontal bat with that straight ball.
We just had a little sprinkle of rain. I don't think it's anything too serious. I don't think it's going to be around for a long period of time, so the ground staff just getting the square protected. They won't probably bring on the big covers to cover the rest of the ground. Hopefully it's not going to be down here for too long, because this game is nicely poised, Darren Sammy, and with the wicket of Camphor, you just felt that the West Indies give themselves a sniff, a chance to try and get the 10 points and a 2-0 lead in the series. Pushes the call by Tector. Should just be 1. Nice gloves, Shea Hope. Nice and tidy. Pulled away. That's going to be 4 for George Dockrell. He gets plenty of meat on that. Rocks back, swivels right out of the screws. Boundary to finish. 164 for 4. Straight up in the air. Should be taken. Just about taken. Nicholas Poran. Well. Popped out, but pops back in. That'll be through, and that should be enough. Should get back for a double. 2 for Gareth Delaney. 10 massive points for Ireland. That is a brilliant win here at Sabina Park, winning by 5 wickets, a venue Ireland have had good success at many times before, and it's lovely for Harry Tector to be there at the end